Hi, friends. Today I'm going to share with you just one golden rule that you can adopt and incorporate in your practice with anybody when you are meeting a client or you're meeting a prospect or anybody that you're meeting. Instead of focusing on what you are presenting, instead of focusing too much on the product, the service, your PowerPoint, focus on the experience that they have when they are interacting with you. This is a very powerful technique that I have used over the years. And that's what has won deals over deals because I stopped focusing on what I'm presenting rather than how am I presenting. Am I focused on you? And really incorporate the fact the experience you want to give is make them feel safe. Safety is the most important thing, most important emotion that we are all looking for. Am I feeling safe when I'm going to do business with you? Am I going to be feeling comfortable? It's all about comfort and safety and calmness. If you just incorporate that when you present it, and those there are some small tools that you can use and incorporate them. Number one, wear lighter colors. That will keep the environment much more relaxed. Have a light, calm environment, not a very dark space. Have windows open. A nice lighting makes a big difference. And just having some water around you, a water fountain or a water to drink, just calm the environment and see the difference in your practice. I hope this helps and you're able to incorporate. Stay tuned for more such tips and tricks and sustainable strategies to really take your business to the next level. Thank you.